Okay, this is the man cave. You can see I've got my Jeep, dirt bike, mountain bike, 65-inch TV. I've got my other mountain bike, Blue Betty and Black Widow. Then I've got a couple of paddle boards. And of course I do have my BMX bike. A couple of skateboards underneath there. I've got long boards, short boards. I've got everything. This is invaluable. This is a light test current. Of course, you got your jump and carry. This is my compressor, my baby impact wrench. Now, I knew the fuse box was up here on the thing, but you don't know what fuse is for what.